Welcome children. Assessment worksheet 7. Today we will discuss assessment worksheet 7, subject science, class 10th. In first section you have to given multiple choice questions and each question carry 1 mark. And in section 2 it contains case study questions which are also carry 1 mark and which are multiple choice questions. So you have to opt, you have to choose correct answer from given options. Question number 1, a solution a solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Here X is, आपको X क्या है वो पूछा गया है. A calcium oxide, B calcium hydroxide, C sodium chloride NaCl and D KCl potassium chloride. So correct answer will be A, calcium oxide. When calcium oxide dissolved in water, it is converted into calcium hydroxide. That is the solution of substance X. So correct answer will be A, calcium oxide. Question number 2. In question number 2, you have to ask, identify the substance that is oxidized and the substance that is reduced in the following reaction. You have to give in one reaction. When CuO, copper oxide, reacts with hydrogen, it is converted into copper and H2O, water. So you have to identify the substance that is oxidized and reduced. So we have to write, or you have to write the name of reactants. Oxygen, copper oxide is oxygen is removed from copper oxide and it is converted into copper. So copper oxide is reduced. Removal of oxygen is reduction. So copper oxide is reduced and oxygen is added in hydrogen and it is converted into H2O. So hydrogen is oxidized. So correct answer will be A, H2 and CuO. H2 is oxidized and CuO is reduced. Next question. In next question, when diesel in the presence of oxygen gas burns inside the engine of bus, carbon dioxide and water are produced. The temperature inside the engine becomes very high. Which of the following statement is correct? You have to give in 4 statement and you have to find out the correct statement. The burning of diesel is an example of physical change. No. Heat energy is taken out from the surroundings. No. C, oxygen and diesel are reactants in this process. This is correct. And this process is triggered by light energy. This is wrong. So correct answer will be C, oxygen and diesel are reactants in this process. Next question is rusting is a process which requires A, air, B, moisture, C, heat, D, both A and B. So you know children, rusting is required. Rusting is a process which required air and moisture both. So correct answer will be D, both A and B. Next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is magnesium ribbon burns in air with dazzling with white flame. This is due to the formation of white solid. This white solid dissolves in water and gives a solution which turns red litmus blue. Which type of reaction is performed in the above process? You have to write the name of type of reaction. Chemical reaction. A, combination reaction, B, decomposition reaction, C, redox reaction and D, oxidation reaction. So which type of reaction is this? This is combination reaction. When oxygen combines with magnesium, it is converted into magnesium oxide. So right answer is A. This reaction is combination reaction. Next is case study question, section 2. You have to give in a paragraph, and according to this, on the basis of this, question are given to you. So first we will read the paragraph. In 1909, Sorensen devised a scale known as pH scale, on which the strength of acid solution as well as basic solutions could be represented by making use of hydrogen ion concentration in them. Sorensen is the name of scientist. Sorensen linked the hydrogen ion concentration of acid and base solutions to the simple number from 0 to 14 on pH scale. In everyday life, pH plays an important role on daily basis, like in farming. The best crop are usually obtained with neutral or slightly acidic soil of pH 6.5 to 7. Tooth decay starts when pH of mouth is lower than 5.5. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation, etc. So you have to give the answer of these questions. Question number 6. Which of the following substance is added by farmers if the soil is acidic? अगर soil acidic हो जाती है तो farmers कौन से substance को use करते हैं to reduce the acidity of the soil? A. Common salt, B. slaked lime, C. vinegar, and D. limestone. So farmer use limestone to reduce the acidity of the soil. Question number 7. Rain is called an acid rain when the pH is above 8.5, B below 6.5, C below 5.6, and D between 7 and 8. So correct answer will be C below 5.6. When the pH value is below 5.6, this rain is called acid rain. Question number 8. During indigestion, which acid is produced by the stomach that causes irritation and pain? So question number 8's option are hydrochloric acid, B sulfuric acid, C nitric acid, and D phosphoric acid. So stomach secrete hydrochloric acid when the hydrochloric acid is when the quantity of hydrochloric acid is increased in our stomach during this due to this situation, indigestion occur in our stomach. So correct answer will be hydrochloric acid. Question number 9. Which of the following salt is used to give relief on the stung area? जब हमें बी काट लेती है तो उसके स्टिंग से क्या हो जाता है? Swelling and irritation. So which of the following salt is used to give relief on the stung area? A. Washing soda, B. Caustic soda, C. Baking soda, and D. Bleaching powder. So correct answer will be C. Baking soda. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is which of the following type of medicine is used for the treatment of hyperacidity in the stomach? जब हमें हाइपर एसिडिटी हो जाती है तो कौन सा साल्ट यूज़ किया जाता है या कौन सी मेडिसिन यूज़ की जाती है? ए एंटीसेप्टिक, बी एंटीबायोटिक, सी एनाल्जेसिक, and D antacid. So correct answer will be antacid D. Now next question is the enzyme that breaks down starch into simpler form is known as enzyme which breaks down the starch. So which enzyme is this? A. amylase, B. lipase, C. pepsin, D. trypsin. So correct answer will be A. amylase. Lard amylase or saliva amylase is convert the or break down the starch into simpler substance or sugar. Question number 2. The rate of breathing in aquatic organism is much faster than the seen in terrestrial organisms because A. amount of dissolved oxygen in water is fairly high as compared to the amount of oxygen in the air. Wrong. B. amount of dissolved oxygen in water is fairly low as compared to the amount of oxygen in the air. This is correct. Option C. aquatic organisms need more oxygen to breathe than terrestrial animals. And D. aquatic organisms do not have developed organs for breathing. So correct answer will be B. amount of dissolved oxygen in water is fairly low as compared to the amount of oxygen in air. ऑक्सीजन में एयर की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा होती है एज कंपेयर टू द वाटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3 is arteries and veins connected by a network of extremely narrow tubes are called. So these are connected with extremely narrow tubes. These tubes are called A. sieve tubes, B. capillaries, C. vena cava and D. valves. So correct answer will be B. capillaries. Question number 4. A process by which soluble products or products of photosynthesis are sent to different part of the plants is known as. क्या कहते हैं इस process को? By which soluble product of photosynthesis are sent to different parts of the plants. A. transpiration, B. respiration, C. translocation and D. excretion. So correct answer will be C. translocation. Question number 5. An artificial kidney is a device to remove the nitrogenous waste product from the blood through A. through diaphragm, B. through dialysis, C. through ECG and D. through electrolysis. So correct answer will be B. dialysis. dialysis के थ्रू क्या करते हैं हम? dialysis के थ्रू we remove nitrogenous waste product from our blood, from the blood of kidney patient. Next question. Your next question is question number 6. You have to give in a paragraph. Read this paragraph carefully and answer the following question. So you have to read the paragraph. You are familiar with number of elements like iron, silver, aluminum, sulfur, calcium, potassium, copper, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. These all are elements. They can be classified as metals and non-metals on the basis of their chemical and physical properties. As you know, what metals are always solid except mercury, liquid at room temperature, hard except sodium and potassium, which are soft metals, sonorous except sodium and potassium, lustrous except lead, and good conductors of heat and electricity, and malleable can be converted into sheets, ductile can be converted into wires. So these are the physical properties of metals. On the basis of this, on this paragraph, you have to choose the correct answer of the given question. First question is question number 6. Mercury is a metal which is dash at room temperature. Mercury क्या होती है बच्चों? It is liquid at room temperature. So correct answer will be B. liquid at room temperature. The property of metals used for making bell. Bell क्यों बनाते हैं metal से? Which property is used? A. Sonorous, B. Malleability, C. Ductility, and D. Conductivity. So correct answer will be metals are sonorous, that is why they are used in making bells. Question number 8. Question number 8 is a metal X is soft and can be cut with a knife. This is very reactive to air and can't be kept open in air. The element is. You have to find out this metal. This is a metal. A. Magnesium, B. Sodium, C. Phosphorus, and D. Calcium. So correct answer will be sodium B. Next question. Aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Which of the following properties of aluminium are responsible for the same? There are four properties are given to you. Good conductor of heat, sonorous, third malleable, and fourth hard. So you have to find out or you have to select these properties which are used for making cooking utensils of aluminium, because they are good conductor of heat and they are malleable. So 1 and correct is 1 and 3. So you have to find the answer. Correct answer will be B, answer 1 and 3. So you have to take the B option. Question number 10. Nitrogen is a. Nitrogen क्या है बच्चों? Nitrogen is a non-metal. So you have to choose the answer B, non-metal. It's not metalloid, not metal, and neither metal or non-metal nor metal. So correct answer will be B, nitrogen is a non-metal. Next question. Next question is section A. Question 1 is given an example of phenomena where the Tyndall effect can be observed. In which phenomena you observe Tyndall effect? A. Red color of sky. B. Rainbow formation in the sky. C. Twinkling of stars, and D. None of these. So correct answer will be red color of sky. In red color of sky we will see phenomena where Tyndall effect can be observed. So we will observe Tyndall effect. Question number 2. What is the cause of dispersion of white light on passing through a prism? A. Different colors having different speed in the prism. B. Non-parallel surfaces of prism. C. Both A and B. And D. Neither A nor B. So correct answer will be both A and B. Different colors have different speed in prism. This is responsible for dispersion of light. Also, a particular design of prism is also responsible for dispersion of white light. So correct answer will be both A and B. Your next question is question number 3. The diagram showing the correct path of ray after passing through a lens are. लेंस से आपको path of ray शो किए गए हैं. You have to find out. You have to choose the correct refraction of light ray. First one is correct when passing through the optical center. This one is correct diagram. Second is also correct when passing through the parallel to the principal axis. After refraction it goes through bend towards it goes through the focus. Third is also correct when ray passing through the focus after refraction it passes through the parallel to the principal axis. But fourth is wrong, this one is wrong, this is correct, and third is correct. So correct answer will be C. First, second and third are correct path of ray after passing through lens. Next question. Question number 4. Name of the atmospheric phenomena due to which sun can be seen above the horizon above 2 minutes before actual sunrise. So, which phenomena is responsible for this incidence? A. Scattering of light. B. Internal reflection of light. C. Atmospheric refraction. And D. Refractive index. Correct answer will be atmospheric refraction. Question number 4. You have to write option C. Next question. Your next question will be question number 5. Which of the following ray diagram is correct for the ray of light incident on a concave mirror as shown in figure? You have to give in a figure. This one you have to show the correct reflection of ray after reflection from mirror, concave mirror. So this is wrong. This is also wrong. C. Parallel to parallel, reflect parallel after reflection, wrong. This one is correct. So you have to choose D. D answer is correct. When rays goes through parallel from the principal axis, it after reflection is rays goes from focus of the principal axis. So D is correct answer. Question number, your next question, question number 6. The color of which bend the least while passing through a glass prism? जब glass prism से light rays pass होती हैं तो which color bend least while passing through glass prism? A. Violet, B. Red, C. Blue and D. Green. Bent, which color bent least? So this color is red. So you have to choose option B. Next question is, you have to give in paragraph case study question. The refractive index of 4 media A, B, C, D. आपको 4 मीडियम दिए हुए हैं A, B, C, D and given the refractive index in these medium. Question number, on the basis of this you have to ask the question, you have to choose the correct answer of given question. Question number 7. If light travels from one medium to another, in which case the change in speed will be minimum. Change in speed will be minimum. So in these 4 options, when light moves from A to B, when light moves between A to B, between B to C, and when light moves between C to D, and when light moves from between A to D. So refractive index में difference जो है which is minimum in B and C. So correct answer will be B. When light moves between B and C, the change in speed will be minimum. So your correct answer will be B. Next question. Your next question is question number 8. If light travels from one medium to another, in which case the change in speed will be maximum. So change in speed will be maximum when the refractive difference between the refractive index will be maximum. So it will be A and D. So correct answer will be you have to given 4 options. 4 options are so these are the options. A, when light moves A to B. B when light moves B to C, C when light moves C to D, and D is given to when light moves A to D. So correct answer will be D when light moves A to D. So question number 8, correct answer will be D when light moves between A to D, क्योंकि A to D में difference of refractive index is maximum. Question number 9. Question number 9. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement in relation to speed of light? You have to choose the correct answer. Speed of light in diamond is 2.42 times speed of light in free space. B. Speed of light in diamond is 1 upon 2.42 times speed of light in free space. C. Speed of light in diamond is same as of speed of light in free space, and D. Speed of light in diamond is twice the speed of light in free space. So बच्चों correct answer will be B. Speed of light in diamond is 1 upon 2.42 times speed of light in free space. Diamond में speed की life reduce हो जाएगी. So correct answer will be B. Question number 10. Light travels fastest in. You have to give in 4 medium, water, B air, C glass, and D diamond. So you have to find out correct option. Light travels fastest in B air. So correct answer will be B air. Thanks for watching.